Start. Past simple tense. The structure will be in active mode: subject, verb second, object. When we will change it into passive voice, then it will be object plus was verb plus verb third plus by plus subject. Okay. In negative, it will be subject plus did plus not plus verb first plus object. And when we will change it into passive voice, then the structure will be object plus was verb plus not plus verb third plus by plus subject. Okay. Let's select an example and change that into passive voice. Okay. Garima. Garima closed the shop. Okay. When we will change it into passive voice, then it will be like the shop was closed by Garima. Okay. In a negative sentence, Tushar did not buy any book last day. When we will change it into passive voice, then it will be by any book was not bought. Any book was not bought by Tushar last day. Okay. Now we will study about the past continuous, how the sentence of past continuous will change into passive voice. Okay. Past. Okay. Let's start past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. In affirmative or in active mode, the structure will be subject plus was verb plus verb fourth plus object. When we will change it into passive, then the structure will be object plus was verb plus being plus verb third plus by plus subject. Okay. Let's select any example. At first we will see negative structure. Subject plus was were plus not plus verb fourth plus object. Okay. In passive, the structure will be object plus was were plus not plus being plus verb third plus by plus subject. Let's select an example and change it into passive voice. For example, Naveen. Naveen was watching television. When we will change it into passive, then the structure will be like, at first categorize Naveen is a noun and subject, helping verb, verb fourth, and television will be object. Okay, let's convert it into passive voice. Television was being watched by Naveen. Let's see another example in negative. The hunter was not killing any innocent animal. Let's change it into passive. Any innocent animal. Any innocent animal was not being killed by hunter. Okay, it is an example of a past continuous tense. Okay, now we will change it into passive voice. At first we categorize. Okay, Saroj a subject, was helping verb, singing verb fourth form, and a Hindi song will be an object. Okay, let's change how it will be converted into passive voice. A Hindi song was sung by a Hindi song was being sung by Saroj. Okay, let's see another example in negative structure. Mohan was eating burger. Mohan was eating burger. Then it will be burger. Burger was being eaten by Mohan. If it will be in negative structure, then here will be not, and when we will change it into passive voice, then it will be like a burger was not being eaten by Mohan. That's all. Okay. Now we will see how to change a sentence of past perfect tense into passive voice. Okay, let me erase it. And now we will study how to change a sentence of past perfect tense into passive voice. But you have to revise it at your home day by day, because everything is depend on practice. Without practice, you never understand what is its structure and what is the rule of passive voice. You have to follow all our video, which is going to put up day by day on our YouTube channel by Ramesh ji sir. So you have to follow all the video of each topic. Just stay at your home, and you have no work at your home, I hope, because in the lockdown there is not any kind of work. Okay, let's start. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Okay, what will be the structure in active and in affirmative active structure? It is an active structure. So subject plus had plus verb third plus object. Okay, in passive structure it will be object had been verb third by subject. Okay, in negative there will be not after the helping verb, subject had not verb third object, and when we will change it into passive, then it will be like object plus had plus not plus been plus verb third plus by plus subject. Let's select an example and change it into passive voice. Prashant. Prashant had earned a lot of money in his life. Okay, let's categorize what is the subject. Prashant will be the subject, had helping verb, earned verb third, a lot of money object, and it is an adverb of time. It will be an adverb of time. Okay, when we will change it into passive voice, a lot of money, a lot of money had been earned in his life or earned by Prashant in his life. Okay, the same structure will be followed in negative sentence. For example, Sudhir had not broken the mirror. Then it will be changed into passive voice. Let's see. The mirror had not been broken by Sudhir. That's all. Okay, now we will study how to change the sentence of future simple. How to change a sentence of future simple into passive voice. Then whether it will be of future simple or of future perfect. Okay, and the rest topic we will study in next video, but at first we will learn of the structure of future simple or future perfect. Okay, let's see how to change a sentence of future simple into passive voice. Future simple. The structure of affirmative will be subject, shall will, verb first, object. Okay, when it will change into passive, then the structure will be object plus shall will be verb third plus by plus subject. Okay, in negative, subject plus shall will not, verb first plus object. When it will change into passive, then it will be object plus shall will not be, verb third plus by plus subject. Okay, let's select an example to change into passive voice. Okay, let's see. Mohit will present a new plastic model. It will change into passive. Okay, a new plastic model will be presented by Mohit. Okay. The next sentence, choose another example for Mahima will not wash your clothes. Then it will be changed like your cloth your clothes will not be washed by Mahima. Okay. Now we will study how to change a sentence of future perfect into passive voice. It will be the last topic. After that we will study how to change an interrogative sentence into passive voice sentence with going to. There are so many topics to change into passive voice. It will be taught you in next video. It will be the last topic, future perfect tense. Okay, let me erase it. In next video we will talk about life. It will be a very wondrous topic for you. What is the value of your life? We will learn, we will know in next video, and I'll tell you a very interesting video so that you can understand what is the value of your life. Okay. At first let's study it. Okay, now start. Future perfect. Future perfect. The structure will be inactive, subject plus shall will plus have plus verb third plus object. In future perfect tense, or usually there is a time, by plus time. It will be the another structure like that, subject plus shall will plus have plus verb third plus by plus time. When we change it into passive, then object plus shall will plus have plus been plus verb third plus by plus subject. And when we will change the next structure into passive voice, then it will be like object plus shall plus will plus have plus been plus verb third plus by plus subject plus time plus by plus time, sorry. Okay, let's see an example one by one. Mukesh will have, Mukesh will have done his work. Mukesh will have done his work by Monday. Okay, then we will change it into passive voice. Okay, let's see another example. Sahil will have not, Sahil will have not prepared a plan. Sahil will have not prepared a plan for picnic. Okay, let's change it into passive voice. A plan for a picnic. A plan for a picnic will have not been prepared, will have not been prepared by Sahil. Okay, when we change a affirmative sentence into passive voice, then how will it change? Okay, let's see. Our sentence is Mukesh will have done his homework by Monday. Then it will be his homework will have been done by Mukesh by Monday. Okay students, I hope all of you understand it very well. So the rest topic will be learned in next video, but don't forget to subscribe our channel. I cordially request all of you, don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you cannot miss any video. Okay, thanks.